What's up, YouTube? I typically go live on Instagram, I go live on Twitter, and I go live on Facebook, but I've not done a video, like a recording video, directly to YouTube or a live video on YouTube yet, so I'm not entirely sure how it works, but here we are. So I'm experimenting a little bit. I'm going to amp up my YouTube presence quite a bit here in the next few days, next few weeks, actively pursuing that. So yeah, I'm figuring out all the features. Let's see what's going on with YouTube. So anyways, my name is Tyler. Welcome to my channel. I'm a real estate agent in Santa Barbara, California with Engel & Volkers, and I'm here at an open house at 1704 Mission Ridge Road in Santa Barbara in the Lower Riviera, if you're familiar with the town. Absolutely beautiful views. Today's a little different. We usually have clear skies, lots of sunshine, especially in the afternoon, but today is a little bit hazy. We've got a lot of marine layer, a lot of fog that's kind of sticking around. Usually burns out by 11 or 12, but it's pushing 3 and we still are kind of in the haze. But it's beautiful nonetheless. The weather here is incredible. Temperature is fantastic. It's about 10 degrees cooler than it has been, and I'm digging it. I like it. I like the cooler temperatures. Even though summertime you can do a lot with the hot weather, but I can only take so much of it. So I'm going to show you around the house, and you guys can take a look at it, see what we got going on. If you're in the area and you know people who are in the market for a home that is about $2.5 million, then have them give me a call. Let's reach out. Social media, phone call, whatever. Love to show it to them. So anyways, let's get to it. I'll show you some views, and then we'll see the inside of the house, and then we'll be done. And then I guess there's like a 24-hour activation time for YouTube to allow me to go live. I would have gone live, but I can't do that, so we're just gonna record it and see where it takes us. So let's start with the views of the outside. Pretty incredible. This is just coming out the front door. This is what we see. On a clear day, you can see islands off here in the distance. You can see all of downtown Santa Barbara there. You see those orange roofs. That's what Santa Barbara's kind of known for. You got the marina right there. Santa Barbara City College. About 5 minutes from downtown. About 10 minutes from the ocean. It's incredible. Beautiful stonework here around the house. Gorgeous flowers, full bloom. Let's walk you around to the side. Every single one of these bedrooms has access directly to the outside. If you're living in California and you have a home with a view, it's pretty cool if you can just get out your front door and just fall into it and start living the dream, you know? It's pretty cool. So anyways, this is the first outdoor seating area. It's one of the doors from the bedrooms that leads outside. As we walk down here, we got another little seating area. It's pretty cool. Enjoy some wine. We've got a creek bed coming down off the hilltop. And this is what you're looking at. You can't beat it. You can't beat it. $1 million views, $2.5 million views. This is the door from the master bedroom. What's up? Just incredible indoor-outdoor living potential. Master bath. Needs a little bit of an uplift, but it's ready to go. Wouldn't take too much. Just replace the tile, maybe some paint, a couple of fixtures. Here's the closet, cedar lined. Got some more closet space here where the mirrors are. Slide those back. Incredible breeze that comes through this hallway. Not too much, just clears out any stuffy air, keeps things fresh. You can do that a lot in California, thankfully. Bedroom number 3. And then we've got bathroom number 2. Again, a little bit of an uplift. Nothing too much. Nothing too crazy. Love this living room. Beautiful stone fireplace. They did great work here. That's the front door. Kind of give you an idea and orient you a little bit. Look at this window. Come right outside here. You can see all of Santa Barbara. What's up? You got the indoor eating space with the door that leads to the outdoor eating space. Look at that. Get your family and friends out here, kick back, enjoy some wine, some of that Central Coast, California, Santa Barbara wine. We've got some good stuff in the San Ynez Valley. Kitchen, laundry room, if you want to do the laundry room here. There's also a bonus room where you can put the laundry room in. You got a half bath here. And then guys, I really like this. This is pretty cool. It's not views, but it kind of reminds me of Italy or France, south of France. It's very European. We live in the American Riviera, so it only makes sense that we would have a lot of similarities to the French Riviera, Italian Riviera. So take a look at this. Look at that stonework. Stone wall, beautiful plants. Look at that, goes all the way up. Look at that vine. It's creeping, it's doing its thing. I dig it. I definitely dig it. As it comes down here, that door leads to more views of the Pacific. So, as you can tell, I love this home. I love this area. I love my town. Santa Barbara is the best place in America, in my opinion. Best town in California. California has a lot of really great towns. You've been up to Monterey and Carmel, Laguna Beach, all fantastic locations. All said and done, I would choose Santa Barbara over any of those every day. So if you're in the area, come check it out. 1704 Mission Ridge Road. I'll be here for the next hour till 4 o'clock. And I'll be here next weekend too. And the weekend after that until it sells. It's gonna go quickly though. This is our second weekend having it open and we've had a lot of interest. So anyways, thanks for viewing. Great to see you guys. We'll be doing more of this and stay tuned.